Have you ever thought that just placing a garlic clove under your pillow at night can actually do amazing things for your body while you sleep? Stay with me because the last benefit will really surprise you. Step 1. Boost your immunity. This one is for your immune system. Garlic has a natural compound called allicin. It fights bacteria and helps your immunity. While you sleep, your body quietly fights off germs and infections. So when you wake up in the morning, you feel stronger, healthier, and more energetic. Just from one tiny garlic clove under your pillow. Step 2. Sleep better. Now this step is for your sleep. Garlic can calm your nerves and reduce stress. It helps you sleep deeply and peacefully. Instead of tossing and turning, you can rest fully and wake up refreshed, feeling ready for the day with more energy than ever before. Step 3. Keep bugs away. This step is for keeping mosquitoes and other insects away. The strong smell of garlic is safe for humans, but bugs hate it. So no more bites, no more disturbances, just a calm, peaceful night. Step 4. Simple tip. Here's a quick tip. Use a fresh garlic clove, not powdered. Wrap it in a thin cloth and place it under your pillow. The smell stays mild, but all the benefits are still there. Step 5. Take action. So, if you want to boost your immunity naturally, sleep better, and keep bugs away, try placing a garlic clove under your pillow tonight. Small change, big difference. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who love simple natural remedies.